Quick channel update. This channel now is transforming into a multi-game engine content. What does it mean? It essentially means it's no longer Unity exclusive. There's gonna be content for other game engines. I made a few experiments back in 2023 September when Unity was on fire, and I published tutorials for Unreal Engine and Godot, and the feedback was quite positive. Plus, I don't see why there shouldn't be content for other game engines on this channel. I'm still gonna publish Unity tutorials every 2 weeks, or Unity content every 2 weeks, but in between now there will be a video in Unreal Engine, in Godot, or in any other game engine. And why is this happening now? Because I want this channel to keep being the best in terms of visual effects for games. I want this to be a pillar of the game dev community as it has been, and I want to expand this to other users, to other game developers in this awesome community with my visual effects tutorials and explanations and whatnot and courses. And also because we got an intern in terms of visual effects, which is also named Gabriel. Yeah, we are the Gabriels behind visual effects now. And in terms of channel update, I want to bring more devlogs related to Rabbit's Tale, even though perhaps it's not your genre. It would be awesome if you guys could wishlist it, it would help us a lot. I have created Golden Bug Studios, we are developing Rabbit's Tale. We are getting there, and I want to bring more devlog videos. There's a lot of interesting things to say, so expect to see that as well. But essentially that's it. There's gonna be more videos related to visual effects. Every 2 weeks it's still gonna be for Unity, and in between it's gonna be Unreal Engine or Godot or any other engines. So that's pretty much it in terms of channel update. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.